In this video, we'll be exploring what you can export to the US. So what does US import? You know, a number of people always looking for opportunities around the world and trying to explore those opportunities as much as they can. So in the series of video I'll be doing from this channel, I'll be looking at the top importers in the world. You know, you're an exporter, right? And you're going to be shipping product to a particular country. So the question we are asking is, what does these countries import? And I will be looking at the top importers in the world. The largest importers in the world is United States. And the import of United States in 2022 is $3.12 trillion. $3.12 trillion. So we'll be digging deep in this conversation and looking at what are those things that the United States import? What are those things that the United States import? How about animal products? US is spending $43.4 billion to import animal products. What are the animal products? Crustaceans like snail. 21% of the animal product import of the US is crustacean, 21%. Fish fillets, 19.6%. Cow meat, bovine meat. I think Botswana started exporting this to the US. Cow meat, bovine meat, 11.2%. Frozen bovine meat, frozen cow meat, 6.53%. Non-fillet fresh fish, 6.14%. Pig meat, 4.04%. Non-fillet frozen fish, 2.36%. Mollusk, 2.3%. Honey, 1.72% of the total $43.4 billion. $43.4 billion of animal products imported by the US. Bovine, 3.71%. Chief, 3.63%. Sheep and goat meat, 3.53%. Non-fillet frozen fish, 2.36%. Horses, 1.67%. Pig import, 1.32%. Butter, 1.25%. Preserved meat, 0.9%. Poultry meat, 1.11%. Edible offers. Edible offers are actually what we call in Nigeria roundabout. Edible offer, 1.07%. And animal organs, 0.49%.